Hi fam, welcome to my channel and to today's video. So essentially I'm here to share with you how to make a DIY detangler for your natural hair. If this is something you're interested in, definitely stay tuned. So this is quite simple to make. First of all, you need your conditioner. You can use any conditioner that you have available. You also need your oil and then fenugreek powder. So these are the ingredients that I am using for my detangler, and this is a pre-poo detangler. So first you pour some amount of your conditioner, and this I'm not measuring, but then I'm just pouring a little amount of, or any amount that you want to start with. And this is how the conditioner is. So the next thing I do is to add a little amount of water just to make the conditioner a little bit lighter, to be able to dispense in my hair. Now after this, I add some oil. You can use any oil as possible. This is an oil mix, and it is a very great oil. Like, it's a mixture of oils and I love it, so I'm adding it to it. And you mix it up, and this is what I have. It is quite runny, which is the consistency that I am looking for. So the next thing I do is to add the fenugreek powder, but before that you have to make sure that you add water to the fenugreek powder and mix it up before you pour it into the conditioner, because it has the tendency of not being able to mix well with the conditioner if you put the powder itself in it. So what I'm doing is to just make sure that I get a paste out of this. Now you have to mix it well, because I don't know, but I have this issue with fenugreek powder where whenever that I mix it, I tend to have these it's not able to be that smooth. So you just have to make sure that you are really mixing it out. And I had to transfer it into a bigger container, because the one I'm using was it was difficult to be able to mix the fenugreek paste in it. So this one too, you don't have to let it be very thick. It should be quite runny like what we have here, because at the end of the day the whole thing would thicken up a bit. And so I'm just adding the fenugreek paste into the conditioner mix. So you just have to make sure that you add it to it, and make sure that the fenugreek paste is as smooth as possible, so that you don't get any other stuffs in it. So this is what I have, and this is the mixture. You can see that it has thickened up again after I added the fenugreek to it. So I decided to add more water, and this is to make it as light as possible to be able to dispense. And then this is the final detangler. Now fenugreek has this mucilage that helps with slip, and that is why I added fenugreek to the conditioner. You know that most conditioners also help detangle hair. So this is essentially to be used as a pre-poo. Now this is what I'm going to be using for my pre-poo. And you know, pre-poo is basically detangling your hair with anything before you shampoo. So this is going to be my pre-poo. And if you don't want to use an oil for pre-poo, this can be a great alternative to oils. So I'm just going to be showing you how I use this on my hair and see how well it helps detangle my hair. So first off, you make sure that you start on damp hair, which is very important because it helps to it helps with the product on your hair. Now the next thing I do is to add the product, or to put a product on my hair, and you gotta make sure that you put a product on the tips to the roots, and then you see that I'm really able to detangle my hair with my fingers through. This is because the product really has slip and it really helps to detangle hair. So this is how it is. Then what I'll say is that it also helps to, melts down all the knots in the hair. And I really love this because it's really detangles your hair. I'm gonna be keeping this, and I'm gonna be using it as a pre-poo from now onwards. So this is my detangler. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a thumbs up by liking, and also don't forget to hit on the notification button to be notified whenever I upload any of my videos. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will definitely see you same time next week. Until then, bye.